4.5 weeks. I'm finally out the house. Hey, it's been tough. Knee replacements. Wow, it's been hard. So thought I'd just get out the house today. Stuck in the house for 4.5 weeks, bored out my skull. But now I'm a little bit more mobile. I've got a walking stick to help me. But main reason I'm doing this video is just that I need some help. I want some ideas of what to film, where to go. I'll do absolutely anything at all. You want me to film it, I'll try my best to film it. So walking down near the canal. Believe it or not, this is the first industrial canal in the UK. This is the Sankey Brook Canal, Sankey Navigation Canal, whatever you want to call it, I don't know. But I know it as the Sankey Brook Canal. And this here is a triple lock. So the boats come from St Helens down to the River Mersey, delivering coal, copper, wheat, you name it. They probably delivered it. So give me some ideas, subscribe to my channel and let me know what you want me to film. I'll do absolutely anything. I'll go absolutely anywhere. Christmas is coming too, so I'm not working. I need a job. So at the moment this will be my only source of income until I get better. I've not claimed any benefits. I don't want to claim any benefits, to be honest. I don't think I need them. I've got plenty of time on my hands now. I'm thinking maybe of retirement as well, early retirement. But yeah, that knee replacement, it's alright. It wasn't as painful as you expected it to be. But I have got a big scar on my right knee now. The stiffness is slowly fading away. That's why I'm out today. I've forced to get these two out. My two dogs, my two Bichon Frise. That's Poppy and Schnaps. So, like I said, I need some help on what to film. Which direction you want me to take this channel to? Do you want me to do some vlogs like this? Visit towns, visit cities, visit villages, go to events, go to pubs, restaurants. I'm going abroad in February, so I'll be filming around there. I'm going to do it with some friends and the missus. But like I said, I do need some help. Give me some ideas of what to film. Would really appreciate it. I'd also appreciate it if you could subscribe to my channel. I'm not far away from 10,000 subscribers. I don't mind doing this. I still don't mind doing the parody, however you pronounce it. So I know some of you like them belly raspberry things. I've got a few friends who's up for that. Madness. It was just a bit of comical fun. But it is what it is. And it makes you lot happy. And as long as you lot happy, I'm happy. So yeah, give us a shout. Comments below. Give me some ideas.